Salam everyone, welcome to Mama Loop channel. Today we are making low carb egg custard. Let's make it together. For the egg custard we need 12 eggs, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 2 13.5 ounces cans heavy coconut cream. Alternatively, you can use 4 cups of half and half milk, but half and half milk is not as low carb as coconut heavy cream. Add pinch of salt and nutmeg powder. 1 cup monk fruit sweetener. Whisk eggs mixture until well blended. Carefully pour the hot water into the baking pan so that the water comes about half of the way up the custard dish. Pour the egg mixture into the custard dish. Carefully place the custard dish in the baking pan. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle a little nutmeg powder over the custard. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until the custard is set. Do not overcook. Alternatively, you can place a baking pan in the oven. Pour boiling water into the baking pan until the water is at least halfway up the sides of the custard dish but no more than ½ inch above them. It is extremely important to keep the water away from the custard. Chill in refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.